So, we have a driveway this week. Last week we had some drainage. We took out the driveway, we took out the landscape. We generally make a choice with our driveways, right? We want some hard corners or we want some curves. And this one we're doing some more organic curves. Nothing's really matching up exactly. We're just going to make it look like it doesn't have any hard corners. We just don't want hard corners on this one. So what we're doing is we're doing a swoop in from the road and a swoop in from the road. And one swoop is going to meet the house, the other swoop is going to meet the walkway and meet the house over there. So hopefully it looks like one big piece, no hard corners. We are also covering the front patio so that the patio will look like the driveway, covering the tops and sides of it. But we only have one gutter on this house. And usually we like to do some drainage to keep water off our driveway or get the water off your yard because often it's too much water. In this case, we have all of the water from the half of one house and the half of the other house coming into this side yard, which is quite heavily pinched in the middle. It holds a lot of water. So we put in a French drain system. We tied in the only one gutter that's over here just to get all this water off the yard, hopefully soak it out from underneath, push it out into that marsh. Our French drain is like that black pipe, 4 inches, but it has slits cut in it. And a sock around it to keep dirt from getting in. So the water comes, it soaks into the ground, gets all saturated, and pours into that empty space in the pipe and out the box, which has enough fall to push out that box from up here. Well, these 2 yards come together in a V shape, right? So we tried to put this French drain still on the customer's property, but as close to that V shape as we could. But what we also did was we sent out some little legs, little 5-foot legs to each side. 4 of those to capture water to each side of the swale as well. Try to maximize our uptake on that because this was a very, very wet side yard. So with this ADS gutter here, I had to completely detach this this gutter piece to make this fit nicely, which wasn't a real big deal, but of course it's one of those things I like to make these gutter adapters look clean. Speaking of clean, we tied in this deck drain and it's looking really good right there. And what you can't see is that there was a pool overflow on this side, only a 1 inch, but similar to that. They're both tied into this gutter drain down here in a way that isn't gonna backflow. It's actually flowing down into the gutter. They don't exchange water either way.